In this video, we show how to install the Bell Fibe TV app on Sony Smart TVs. First, make sure the TV is connected to the internet. To do this, from the home menu, scroll over to the gears in the top right-hand corner, then down to Wi-Fi and select. The Wi-Fi toggle should be blue, which indicates it's on. Below it, you should see your Bell Wi-Fi name with the status connected. If the Wi-Fi toggle is gray, select it to turn it on, and below it, look for the Bell Wi-Fi name and connect using the Wi-Fi password for your modem. Your TV must also be signed into your Google account to be able to download apps. From the home menu, the top left of your TV will have the first letter of the account holder's name, and when you scroll over it, their first name is revealed. If not, you will have to sign in or create a new account before you begin. Now, let's search for and install the app. From the home menu, navigate to Apps, then down to the search bar and select it. Key in Fibe and search. Select the Fibe TV app tile and install. Once complete, return to the home menu where you will find the app at the end of the Your Apps list. Now move it to the front of the list. Press it and hold Select until you can select Move. Now place it in the leftmost position and select to drop it in place. Now the Bell Fibe TV app will be there waiting for you to enjoy. For more support, visit bell.ca/support or visit our community forum at bell.ca/forum.